Hey guys, welcome back to How To Tuesday. If you missed a previous episode of How To Tuesday, click the link above. But this is all about the 2025 Genesis G70 Sport all-wheel drive vehicle that I just reviewed. So you could actually change the engine note sound of this vehicle and the road noise sound. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to go into your infotainment system. You're going to click on Setup, then Vehicle, then look for Active Sound Design. You guys tell me if you could tell the difference. Here's what it sounds like with the largest change. Now, this is what it sounds like with the moderate change. Now, this is what it sounds like with the smallest change. And this is what it sounds like with no change. Can you guys tell the difference? Do you even like this feature? Do me a favor, check out my full review of the 2025 Genesis G70 Sport all-wheel drive trim available now on my YouTube channel and subscribe.